Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. What do you do while you're sitting here waiting for the program to do what it's supposed to be doing so you can carry on with your next project? Well, I clean file handles. It's all part of the shop organization thing. You gotta find stuff to do while something else is going on. Otherwise, you spend a whole lot of time here with nothing to do. Except sit and wait, watch the computer. And this is something I can do pretty much without watching. No time wasted, and I got 4 nice file handles. Just epoxied the ferrule on that one, so it's got to sit for a while before I finish sanding it. That'll make 5, and I got 3 more over on the bench to work on while this video has to be saved. A little bit of blow, let them dry. In the morning I'll put some wax on them. And I'll have file handles that don't bother my hand. And I still got other stuff to work on too. And this whole bench here, yeah, it's got to be cleaned off. I've got stacks and stacks and stacks of projects half done. Matter of fact, the whole shop is a mess. Even the table that I had all cleaned off and got most of the stuff sorted out on, I still got piles of things. You get started on one thing and you want to finish it, but there's always something else that's got to happen. So anyways, that's what I do when I'm not doing anything. There's never a dull moment here at Old Sneelock's Workshop. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.